be showing you how to use the Whale central heating panel. We've got 4 buttons on here. They're really easy to use and you can't go wrong. First one is the hot water, and to cycle through the power options we just press the button. So that's 1 kilowatt of electric, 2, gas on its own, gas on 1 bar, gas on 2 bars. The gas on 1 bar and 2 bar of electric are boosts for if you're not on a good electric site. You can put the gas on to help things along. Then it goes back to off. On the bottom we've got the Caravan heating, and all you do again is cycle through the power options with the button. So we've got off, 1 bar, 2, 3, gas on its own, and then back to off. The heating system won't operate off a combined mixture of gas and electric. To set it up running, all you have to do is select your power setting, choose your temperature on there. The higher end of the scale is more towards 30 degrees, the middle 15, and at the end we've got a moon, which is night mode, which makes the system quieter and it runs at a lower temperature, and a frost setting to protect the system from frost damage if, for example, you store it on your driveway. The more the orange bar is along the scale, the warmer it's going to be. And that's all you have to do.